All right, Alan, tell me what shocks we're looking at here.
Yeah, absolutely. We have our KONI STR.Ts, our streets, commonly referred to as orange dampers. These are our fixed valve, high performance dampers. And then we also have our KONI Yellow Sports.
Everybody knows the KONI Yellows.
The KONI Yellows is a historic part of it. These are our adjustable shocks. You're going to be able to use our KONI knob and adjust these while they're on the car. If you're going to a time trial HPD day, you might want to turn them up, and then you can also turn them back down for your ride home.
Very cool.
And then the reason why we're here today, we have our KONI Special Active dampers. It's going to go off of frequency speed. If you got small cracks in the road, it's going to filter those out. If it's a windy road, it can create more force similar to a Sport.
So it's adaptive to the driver.
Yep, it opens and closes these little holes that you have here. That's how it creates more force. If you have one car that you want to kind of do a lot of things with, this would be the shock for you. We have a KONI Sport equipped car, and we have a KONI Special Active equipped car. And then we also have a OE car. If you're ready, we can go out and take some rides.
Let's do it. So far, this is incredibly smooth. No jarring body motion, no shaking, no bouncing. Stays nice and flat under even firm braking. The active suspension is absolutely incredible. It's like having a completely different car. This is great.
You'll hit these little bumps here, but the impact is quick and it's over.
It's firm, but it's not like punishing.
How's it turning?
It's awesome. It's super sharp. Once the steering wheel loads up, it just feels really good. I had a lot of fun in the Sport equipped BMW. It's definitely a little firmer than the active suspension. The difference is seriously night and day. You feel it immediately. I don't feel as connected to the vehicle. You feel all the little bumps more.
This is a brand new car, so it's a really good comparison of what a KONI can do over a brand new shock.
After driving the KONI cars and then getting in the stock car, it kind of pales next to the two KONI equipped cars.